I'm gonna need to work on that.
Venom, The Last Dance, is the third and final film in Sony's quirky Venom trilogy, and it's a fitting farewell to one of Marvel's most unconventional anti-heroes. The Last Dance takes audiences on one more ride with Eddie Brock and his unpredictable, brain-craving alien sidekick, Venom. It's a film that sticks to the franchise's roots, balancing goofy buddy comedy antics with a bit of chaos and plenty of monstrous mayhem.
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
The Venom series has always had a unique place in the superhero genre. Without Marvel's famous Spider-Man to ground it, the franchise carved its own oddball niche, finding success in the eccentric bromance between Eddie and his otherworldly symbiote. The Last Dance doesn't try to rewrite the formula, and that's exactly what fans love about it. Instead of jumping into the multiverse or setting up crossovers, the film keeps things simple, telling a story that stays true to Eddie and Venom's zany yet heartfelt relationship. After its release, Venom: The Last Dance quickly proved that it didn't need glowing reviews to draw audiences. Though critics weren't thrilled, with a Rotten Tomatoes score hovering around 37%, that hasn't stopped fans from flocking to the theaters. For many, the joy of watching Tom Hardy's wild performance and Venom's bizarre one-liners is what makes the franchise so entertaining. And The Last Dance keeps delivering exactly what audiences want. In its opening weekend, The Last Dance brought in a global box office haul of $150 million, instantly surpassing its production budget. While it hasn't matched the record-breaking success of the first Venom film, which grossed $856 million worldwide, it's well on its way to a solid finish. This trilogy has a track record of critical scorn, yet overwhelming fan love, a rare phenomenon in the superhero landscape. Whereas most films, especially in the MCU, see critic and audience scores closely aligned, Venom consistently has fans doubling down, with audience scores often 50% higher than critic ratings. Part of this phenomenon can be explained by Venom's charm as a so bad it's good series. While the CGI might not be groundbreaking and the plot is more playful than profound, fans aren't looking for perfection. They're here for the chaos. They're here for Eddie and Venom's strange but endearing bond, their slapstick misadventures, and a storyline that doesn't take itself too seriously. It's the kind of movie you can just kick back and enjoy, without the need to follow complex lore or high-stakes world-saving missions. So if you're in the mood for a superhero film that doesn't follow the typical formula, and instead goes all in on its campy, goofy premise, Venom: The Last Dance won't disappoint. It may be the end of the line for this odd couple, but they're going out on a high note, keeping audiences laughing and entertained. Get ready for a wild, weird, and thoroughly fun experience. Don't overthink it. Just sit back, munch on some popcorn, and enjoy the ride with Eddie and Venom one last time.